The Stoic cure for overthinking isn't think positive. It's this: stop treating every thought like a command, because overthinking is not intelligence. Overthinking is fear wearing a smart disguise. It's your mind running simulations to avoid discomfort, replaying a conversation, predicting a rejection, planning 10 outcomes, and calling it preparation. But here's the brutal truth. If thinking solved overthinking, you'd be free by now. So today, I'll give you a Stoic cure you can actually use. A simple system to quiet the mind, cut the loop, and regain control. Fast. No meditation fluff, no motivation, just practical stoicism for a modern brain. First, understand what overthinking really is. Overthinking is the mind trying to control what it can't. It's the need for certainty in a world that refuses to give it. And Stoicism starts with one line: control what you can, release what you can't. But that's not a slogan, it's a method. So let's make it real. Step 1. Name the loop. The first Stoic move is to separate yourself from the thought. Instead of "I'm anxious," say, "I'm having the thought that something will go wrong." Instead of "I'm not good enough," say, "I'm having the thought that I might fail." That one sentence creates distance. Stoics called this inner separation. You are the mind's witness, not its prisoner. When you name the loop, you weaken it. Step 2. Cut the fantasy of certainty. Overthinking is usually a negotiation with the future. If I think enough, I'll prevent pain. But pain is part of life. The cure is not certainty. The cure is courage. So ask a Stoic question. What is the worst realistic outcome? And can I handle it? Not, what's the worst possible? Realistic. Most of the time, the answer is yes. You can handle discomfort. You can handle embarrassment. You can handle a no. Your mind just forgot. Step 3. Convert thinking into action. Overthinking dies when you move, because thought feeds thought, but action breaks the cycle. So use the Stoic rule. If it's within your control, act once. If it's not, drop it. Write one message, make one decision, take one step. Then stop negotiating. Step 4. Limit the debate inside your head. Here's the trap. Overthinking is a courtroom where your mind plays both lawyer and judge. One side argues, "You should." The other argues, "But what if?" And you sit there exhausted. Stoics didn't debate endlessly. They used principles. So choose one principle and obey it. I don't chase approval. I speak once, clearly. I don't rehearse imaginary fights. I take the next right action. A principle ends the debate. Step 5. The 60-second reset. When the loop is strong, do this immediately. Look around and name 5 things you see. Name 4 things you can feel. Take one slow breath and relax your jaw. Ask, what is the next action within my control? This pulls you out of the future and back into reality. And reality is always calmer than imagination. Step 6. Stop trying to solve your reputation. A huge amount of overthinking is social. What did they mean? Did I sound stupid? Do they like me? Should I have said more? Stoic cure. You are not responsible for other people's interpretations. You are responsible for your character. So replace "what do they think of me" with "did I act with discipline and respect?" If yes, you're done. If no, adjust and move on. No replay, no punishment. Step 7. Accept unfinished conversations. Overthinkers crave closure. They want every conversation to end clean, every decision to feel perfect, every outcome to be confirmed. But modern life doesn't give closure on demand. So practice this Stoic line. It is unfinished, and I am still at peace. Say it out loud. Your nervous system needs to learn. Uncertainty is not danger. Now here's the deeper truth. Overthinking is a habit of escaping the present. Stoicism is a discipline of returning. Returning to breath, returning to action, returning to what you control. So here's your daily Stoic protocol. Morning. Choose one principle for the day. Midday. Catch the loop and name it. Evening. Review your actions, not your worries, because your life improves through behavior, not mental noise. And remember this, a calm mind is not a gift. It's a decision you repeat over and over. So the next time your mind starts spinning, don't argue with it. Name it. Ground yourself. Choose one action. Then let the rest burn off in silence. That is the Stoic cure for overthinking. Not more thinking, more control, more presence, more quiet power.